out of my damn chair. Said, show her your teeth on the Billy Greg, she'll leave you alone.
You're not screwed up.
Surprised you don't remember it. Your mom might.
Yeah. I don't remember.
His teeth are falling out. I
Hey.
remember your mom. You were in there crying. Your mom, Dad, Papa's teeth are falling out.
What the hell?
And a cigarette. I'll give you another
Yeah,
one. That?
you want to hit the cigarette?
Fuck, no.
Oh.
I haven't smoked a cigarette in 2 years.
You smoking more of this?
Yeah, yes. I was going to leave it with you. At least leave you a road so you can get high in the morning.
That'll work.